Well, nag-end na yung month of December, but I want to pause and reflect on that season of my life. I built my home office sa maliit na kwarto at dito rin ako natutulog. Well, I didn't have a big space or complete equipment. My setup is simple and I even had to borrow money just to get started, but I choose to begin anyway.
So for me, I use this laptop. It's Huawei MacBook D14. So parang nasa ranges siya ng 27 to 30,000 pesos. So pwede na siya kasi I think ito na yung pinakamura na laptop na accepted naman sa mga companies na pwede ninyong pag-applyan for online job. Kaya ito na rin ang pinili ko. I mean, may mga mas maganda pa naman, pero kung yung parang naghahanap tayo na mas affordable na pwede natin ilaban sa pag-apply sa mga online jobs, I think si Huawei Mate D14 ang pasok na pasok. Especially kapag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang. Alright, so let's get into it and let's check yung yung mga system, check natin kung ano yung storage niya and kung ano ba yung pasok sa online job. So this is Huawei MateBook D14. So yung processor niya is 12 Gen Intel Core i3. So 1.20 GHz. So gigahertz pata to. So, pwede na to siya, accepted na to siya kapag mag-apply kayo for like online jobs. And then, yung RAM niya is 8 GB. So, pasado na rin yan siya. There. So, yung system type is 64-bit operating system times 64-base processor. So, most likely, tinatanggap na to siya sa mga online company na pwede kayong mag-apply. And kapag kailangan nyo naman ng headset, I mean sa type of jobs na kapag kailangan nyo naman ng headset, I think mare-recommend ko naman yung Plantronics. I mean, okay na siya for newbie siguro. Kasi, meron na siyang, tawag? Okay, this one. So, it's Plantronics. Ang maganda kasi dito, durable na rin siya. So, binili ko to siya last year pa. Yung mga November. So, nag 1 year na siya. Okay. So, I think November 2024. So, nag 1 year siya noong 2025. And, yeah, more than 1 year na siya. So, it's Plantronics. And, maganda na siya kasi may noise cancelling and very effective, especially kapag yung bahay nyo guys is may mga kapitbahay ka na may dogs or may other disturbances. So, effective na yung Plantronics. Ayan. So, meron siyang outer microphone kapag kailangan nyo ng microphone. And, ayan. Very, very light lang siya ahead. So, very comfortable. So, I think nabili ko to siya nasa 2,000. Pero, okay na. Ayos na rin kasi aabot talaga siya pang matagalan. Kesa naman, yung bibili kayo ng mura-mura lang tapos, hindi siya pasok sa mga companies na applyan nyo. So, I recommend Plantronics. Especially sa mga baguhan. Pwedeng-pwede na to. Para pasok talaga kayo kapag nag-apply kayo. Alright, so there you have it.
So, itong maliit na room became my everyday workspace. So, this is where I practice for my IELTS test. This is also where I edit my vlogs and where I work toward my goals as a work-from-home worker. December also brought connection. I found co-workers na nagwo-work home-based just like me. And together we built a team. Even though we are all in different places, we support each other. We even had an online exchange gift. So we sent the gift to the address of our manitos and manitas. And this is what I've got.
So, yeah, ito yung na-receive ko. Well, thank you, Tutor Jem. I really like it. As in, grabe. Tapos yung kulay, gustong-gusto ko rin yung kulay niya. In fairness, parang kilalang-kilala mo talaga ako. Kasi natumbok niya yung favorite color ko. Well, thank you. Yes, meron pa siyang kasama sa loob. Yes. Ayan, grabe, na-touch naman ako, Chico Jen. Oh, ayan. So, meron na akong gagamitin, guys, bukas. Magsha-shopping ako, tsaka. Hindi, may pupuntahan ako, so may gagamitin na ako. So, thank you, thank you. I really love it. Yeah, sobrang thank you talaga, Tutor Jem. Ever since Tutor Jem, siya yung CMS ko dati, and ang dami niyang naitulong sa akin, bukod sa sa mga tutoring techniques, lahat-lahat, and good listener din yan siya kapag may mga gusto ako itanong, grabe, nagre-response talaga. Thank you so much. Tsaka akalain mo, ito pang nakakuha ng name ko. So, salamat talaga dito. Mwah.
Yes, so last December we celebrated online by exchanging gifts, ordering through Shopee, and sending them directly to each other's address. Simple, thoughtful, and meaningful. I made sure to enjoy the last moments of the holidays. I watched the Christmas lights, and I also enjoyed the fireworks from my neighborhood. Now, as I look ahead, I'm preparing for 2026. And I started decluttering, cleaning my drawer.
So, ayan guys, napaka-messy ng drawer ko. And since last year pa to, hindi ko siya nalilinis. So, I'm thinking to start this year. So, linisan ko muna para to start something, to start fresh. So, dito, ano-ano na lang yung nailagay ko from last year. So, meron mga plastic. So, linisan lang din natin. Wires. So, dati, na-arrange ko pa to siya. Pero, from last year, wala na. Wasak na siya. Ayan. So, i-arrange lang natin ngayon to start our January fresh kuno. Ayan. So, here's sa first part, pinakataas talaga ng mini drawer ko. I'll be putting my medicine kit. Mga simple first aid kit, ganyan. And I'll be also putting some of my beauty products. Charis! As if my beauty products talaga, no? Yeah. So, yung mga pakonti-konti na ginagamit natin sa ating face and chiban. dito ko rin to ilalagay, yung moisturizing vegan cream ko. So, actually, pambata siya. Pero nagustuhan ko siya kasi it's a grapeseed extract. So, ginagamit ko to siya for night use to moisturize my face. Ayan. So, dito ko rin siya ilalagay katabi ng aking first aid things. Ayan. Kailangan talaga.
So, dito naman, ilalagay ko yung mga pamporma-porma. Char. And yung other memorabilia, mga remembrance na bigay sa akin ng mga friendship ko. And dito naman ilalagay ko yung mga electronic gadgets na sira na hindi ko matapon-tapon. Parang I want to save them. I want to preserve them. Ayan. And here, I would be putting some of my mini cameras. I mean, kadalasan kasi gustong-gusto ko yung mga mini. So, may mini camera, may mini light lamp, at saka mini lens.
Well, I will also include my camera lens here. I mean, my mini camera lens. Okay, yan. So, actually, I have my 3 camera lens. Mini, and the wide. And yeah, I forgot where I put the other one. So, there. So, isasama ko rin siya dito sa mga mini camera ko and mini light para madali ko siyang mahanap.
So if you are watching this and dreaming of starting a home office but feeling nyo limited yung space nyo, equipment, or confidence, remember this. Small beginnings matter. You don't need a perfect setup to move forward.
So now I'm setting up my planners, my notebooks, and ready to start writing my plans and goals and reminders. So most of my notebooks and planners were just given by my friends. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga friends natin and of course, mga brothers and sisters na nagbigay sa akin ng planners. Ito yung last year, so puno na siya. Yan. So, ready na rin ako to start something new. So, binigyan ako ng planner for this year by my sister. So, I like it. Alright. Gusto ko yung face niya. Ayan. So, thank you so much sa aking kapatid for this planner. I love it. This one, nabili ko to siya. So, meron siyang 2026. And, yeah. Nakapagsimula na tayo. I have started writing my plans and other reminders. Ayan. But, of course, this is my most favorite planner or journal. So, bigay din to sa akin ng friend ko. So, it was long time ago. But, yeah, this is my favorite. Parang siya, yung tawag, parang retro siya. So, ayan. So, this serves as my journal. And remembrance na rin for my friend. Thank you so much, Karen, for this planning.
So this is how I'm closing my December, with reflection, gratitude, preparation, and hope. Small room, simple tools, clear goals, And this is just the beginning.
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.